Hi everybody, I'm Lisa Buskey and I am your Epicure consultant, and today we're going to make some CCB quiche bites. Are you ready? The first thing we're going to do is chop up a couple peppers, some fresh mushrooms, and an onion. Okay, so now that our vegetables are all nice and cleaned, I'm just going to give them a nice little chop. And we want them kind of small because they're going to be going into the perfect petite pan. And I'm using my Prep Pro chef knife, which makes cutting a breeze. And then what I'm going to do is I have my large and my small cutting mat. We're just going to slide our vegetables into the bowl and some peppers. And last but not least, our red onion. The next thing we're going to do is crack 10 eggs into our 4-cup prep bowl. And now we're just going to whisk our eggs using our Epicure whisk. And we're going to add a tablespoon of the CCB. Using our 4-in-1 measuring spoon, it goes in easy. The next thing we need to do is prepare our perfect petite pan to put our quiche in. I'm going to just use a spray. You do not want to use an aerosol. I'm just going to give it a little spritz. You don't necessarily need the olive oil, but I want to be able to eat it hot, so I am going to use some. Let's throw that one over there. So what we're going to do is first we're going to take our vegetables, mix them up, and we're going to put them in the bottom of the perfect petite pan, which is on the full-size sheet pan and liner. So here we go. And just like that, we have our petite pan full with all of our peppers and onions. And the next thing we're going to add is our egg mix with a CCB. Are you ready? Now for the eggs, I'm going to use my new 2-tablespoon perfect portion scoop. It was just released, and you can get yours at lisabusky.epicure.com. So let's get these eggs ready. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is put these in the oven, and we're going to bake at 325 for 15 minutes. So I'll see you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, it's time to take our mini quiches out of the oven. And this is the CCB quiche. The recipe is at lisabusky.epicure.com. In the search engine, just type CCB quiche bites. So I'm going to take those out. Some of them are really done, and others still have a little bit of egg white. My husband will like that one. Not me. All right, so let's close the oven and let's check out our egg bites. So there's our egg bites. Turning the oven off. All right, let me move you a little closer. So, how delicious do those look? Now, all we have to do is put them on the plate. And let me show you just how easy it is. Lift, plop, plate. Lift, give it a little push from the back, and it's on the plate. Bada bing, bada boom. And once they cool, I will be putting them in little snack bags that I can reuse so that I can travel with my CCB quiche bites and either eat them on the way to school or on the way back from the gym, or both. A nice, healthy, protein-filled breakfast in less than a half an hour, and my breakfast is prepped for the week. Have a great day, everybody.